Next, we have the black key. Inside block. This type of block can be used to deflect strike 1 and 3. Do attention stance, then step your right foot to your right side. Place the stick vertically up with your grip down. Use your left arm and palm to support the upper part of the stick. With this, you can block strike 1 and 2 at the same time. Outside block. This type of block can be used to deflect strike 2 and 4. Do attention stance, then step your left foot to your left side. Place the stick vertically up with your grip down, and use your left arm to support the stick with your palm and place it on the upper part of your stick. This can be used to block strike 2 and 4 at the same time. Downward inside block. This type of block can be used to deflect strike number 9. To perform, raise your right arm while holding the stick, then place it to the right backside of your head. Execute a forehand downward strike from right to center to deflect strike number 9. Downward outside block. This type of block can be used to deflect strike number 8. To perform, raise your right arm and place it at the left side of your head, just above your shoulder. Then execute a backhand downward strike from left to center to counter the attack of the strike. Rising block. This type of block can be used to block strike number 12. Move your left foot and back knees, then bend slightly. Raise the stick above your head diagonally with your grip placed higher than to the end of the stick. Support the stick using your left arm by placing your open palm behind the stick. 1 and 2 are to be done at the same time. Vertical block. This type of block can be used to block strike number 5. To perform, place the stick vertically down to your right side. Slightly move your grip in front of your shoulder, while your left arm's palm is facing away from you. Place it behind the end of the stick for support. Once the thrust of the opponents come, move the stick from right to left strike to block the attack.